Siasa hasomera wiki ya makia wipa Patriotic Front Mheshimiwa Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka yoro mubwatani bwensemerio kwa miria serikali aisokire na baraiba mwabo kwenekya buna Komochia bare serikali yabone ya Kenya Kwanza nsio baraiba William Ruto ase okobeka oborai borobobe na bego kwenekya guturubania OBWAMATE bwensi ya Kenya ne chinse chinde cha ISIKO ne aniga gocha maiga yomorai bwensi ya Kenya korokana gutabeka chinguru asoko gikiria hayuaga ndreta ne mona se chisege chiko bwatrania ensi ya Israel na America abega ensi ya Iran.
That I was here with Honorable Eugene Wamala 2 or 3 years ago, and before we went on a tour of Meru, we had also this encounter. These failures have transformed Kenya into a pariah state, one that contributes to instability in East Africa and undermines its own citizens at home and abroad. Indeed, as we speak, I think Ruto is handing over the chairmanship of East African Community Summit. And as he does so, he has performed poorly. During his tenure as a chair of the summit, we have seen that even countries of the region did not have enough confidence even to pay up their contributions. One of our members today in our entourage is Honorable Kanini Kega, a member of Yala. He can, I think, put a few suggestions or really comments in that